Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Azmi and I will present for this course Industrial Engineering about topic scheduling and forecasting. For the question 1 for this assignment is scheduling in industrial engineering. Introduction of scheduling. What is scheduling? Scheduling is one of the important function in industrial engineering because it helps industries plan and arrange tasks, machines, power, and time in an organized way. It ensures that every activity in the production process is complete at the right time and in the correct sequence. Good scheduling can improve productivity, reduce delays, avoid machine idle time, and help industry meet customer demands more efficiently. This topic will explain the basic concept of scheduling, its important industrial operation, and the common tools and technique used such as Gantt chart and critical path method. Fundamental concept of scheduling. Scheduling is the process of assigning activities, jobs, or tasks to available resources within a specific time frame. It helps determine what tasks need to be done, when the task should be started and complete, which resource should be used, such as workers, machine, or materials. In industrial engineering, scheduling is important to ensure that the production activities are carried out in the correct sequence, resources are used efficiently, and work can be complete according to the planned time. So there are 6 important of scheduling. First, improve production efficiency, reduce waiting time and delays, optimize use of resources, improve decision making, helps meet customer demand, and lastly, reduce production costs. Tools and technique used in scheduling. First, we have a Gantt chart. So this is example of the Gantt chart. So what Gantt charts do? Gantt chart shows project activities or tasks clearly based on a timeline, including the start date, duration, and finish date. Secondly, Gantt chart helps manager monitor work progress and compare planned schedules with the actual performance. Lastly, Gantt chart useful for identifying delays early and ensuring tasks are complete according to plan schedule. So the second one is critical path method, CPM. This is an example image for the CPM. So what CPM do? CPM identifies the longest sequence of dependent activities that determines the total project completion time. Secondly, CPM helps manager recognize critical tasks that must not be delayed because they affect the whole project. Lastly, CPM supports better planning, time control, and resources focus in complex industrial projects. Lastly, for the tools and technique used in scheduling is program evaluation and review technique, PERT. So this image is a example of a PERT chart. So what PERT chart do? What PERT chart do is PERT chart used to plan activities when the task duration is uncertain or difficult to predict accurately. PERT chart helps estimate project completion time by considering different possible time outcomes. Lastly, PERT chart useful for analyzing task relationship, identifying possible delays, and improving project planning. Next, question 2 for the assignment 1B is forecasting in industrial engineering. So for the introduction, forecasting is a process of prediction future outcomes based on the past data, current trends, and expected changes. In industrial engineering, forecasting is important because it helps companies plan production, manage inventory, estimate customer demand, and make better decisions. By using forecasting, industry can reduce uncertainty, avoid waste, improve overall efficiency in the operation. This topic will explain the basic concept of forecasting, its importance in decision making, and the common tools and technique uses in industrial engineering. For the fundamental concept of forecasting, in industrial engineering, forecasting helps companies estimate First, future sales, customer demand, inventory needs, and last, production requirement. The main concept of forecasting is to reduce uncertainty and support better planning and decision making. By analyzing previous data, industries can prepare resources, workers, and materials more effectively. So there is 5 important of forecasting. First, helps in production planning. Second, supports inventory management. Third, improve resources allocation. Fourth is reduce business uncertainty. And lastly, assist in decision making. Next is tools and technique used in forecasting. There are 2 types, which is qualitative forecasting and quantitative forecasting. For qualitative forecasting, we have 4 methods, which is DEFI method, is to collect opinion from experts in several rounds. Second, market research is for studies customer needs and market trends. Next is customer feedback, uses customer comment and suggestion. Lastly, sales for opinion to predict future sales. Next is quantitative forecasting, which have a 5 method, which is moving average, uses average past data to predict future demand. Second, exponential smoothing, give more importance to recent data. Next is time series analysis, identify trends and pattern over time. The fourth is neural network and machine learning, use computer system and data to predict future demands automatically. Lastly, Box-Jenkins ARIMA model, it uses past data patterns to forecast future trends and demands. So for the conclusion, both scheduling and forecasting are important concepts in industrial engineering that helps industries improve efficiency, productivity, and decision-making process. Scheduling ensures that tasks and operations are properly planned and complete on time, while forecasting helps industries predict future demand and prepare resources effectively. By using appropriate tools and techniques such as Gantt chart, CPM, per chart, time series, and regression analysis, companies can reduce uncertainty, optimize operation, and achieve better overall industry performance. So that's all from me. Thank you.